Hello students, hope all of you are fine. Now today we will start a new lesson, that is chapter 9, clothes, our basic needs. Now in this we will cover the topics that are needs for clothes, types of clothes, natural fiber, synthetic fiber, and how to maintain fibers. Now first, needs for clothes. Now, why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes mainly to cover and protect our bodies. Before people learned to make clothes, they used leaves, tree bark, or the skins of animal to cover and protect their bodies. Slowly, they learned to make clothes using cotton, wool, silk, and other fibers. We also wear clothes which is comfortable to weather conditions and protect us from germs, dust, insect bite, etc. Now, second is types of clothes. Now, in this, people wear different types of clothes according to their activities, according to occasions, according to seasonal or weather changes. So here the clothing has been divided into three parts, that is clothes according to activities, clothes according to occasions, and clothes according to seasons and weather condition. Now first, clothes according to activities. Now, people wear different types of clothes depending on their work. For example, doctors and nurses wear white coats. Their clothes should be very clean so that they can take care of sick peoples. Soldiers wear special uniforms made of tough fibers. This is because they live and work in very rough conditions. Factory workers who work with heavy machineries wear overalls for safety. Overalls are single piece of clothing that cover a person from the neck to the feet. Overalls are made in such a way that they cannot get caught in machines. Now you wear a school uniform when you go to school, so that the teachers and the security guard can recognize you easily that you are a student of this school and take care of you. So we need to wear different clothes throughout the day. For example, when you go to school, students wear uniform in the morning. At home, he or she wears comfortable clothes and simple casual clothes. While playing and outdoor activities, they wear appropriate clothes, and at bedtime, clean and comfortable night dress is worn. Some clothes are activity specific. For example, traditional attire for dance class, swimwear for swimming. There are also specific clothes for jobs such as watchman, police, doctor, and nurses. Now next, clothes according to occasion. When you go for what party or weddings, different clothes is needed according to the function. Like we wear fancy colorful clothes for parties and weddings. Thirdly, clothes according to seasons and weather conditions. It is very important to wear clothes according to seasons and weather. We wear clothes that are comfortable and well suited to the weather conditions of place we are in. Suppose in hot places we wear clothes made of cotton. Light cotton clothes let air come in and go out easily. This helps sweat to evaporate, which helps the body cool down. Cotton clothes also absorbs excess sweat. Light colored clothes are suited for hot weathers as they do not absorb much heat. Now, in cold places, people wear clothes made of wool, fur, or leather. Such clothes prevent body heat from escaping and thus keeps the body warm. Dark colored clothes are suited for cold weather as they absorb heat. Now, when it rains, we wear raincoats over our clothes. Raincoats are made of materials that do not absorb water. They prevent our clothes and bodies from getting wet. Apart from weather clothes, also protect us from dust, small injuries, and insect bites. By wearing long sleeved clothes, we can cover our arms and protect them from the bites of insects such as mosquitoes. Now, the rest part of the topic will be covered in another session of video. So, till then, stay tuned.